So this is the new Eufy x10 Pro Omni, the latest from Eufy. I got it from Currys. I asked them to do a price match during the Amazon sale and I could apply another discount code, so I got a good deal. Costed me around $5.99 and let's see. I'm trying to unbox it today for the first time. I have a house that has wooden flooring and carpets both, and carpets that we have are high pine. Okay, seems like an easy to open pack. There's a tape behind, so that's why it could tear easily, properly. And here you have the whole product. Arrived safely. Let me remove the bottom as well. Oh, there's handles here which you can hold and pull it back. Yeah. So this is your Eufy. This is how it looks. From this side, there are handles here, design, app store, scan QR for the app, and in different languages. So to open it, you just pull these out. So you've got the unboxing. They talk about how do you unbox whole of it, how do you get started, and we'll discuss all of that now. There's an app, it's called My Eufy. It's called Eufy Clean app. You need to download that by scanning the QR code. It's there on Apple and Android both. And this is one of the high suction power models, so it's around 8000 PA, and this is just a top protection sheet, nothing else here. A booklet of instructions. Let's keep it back. Now you've got multiple parts around, so let's keep this here. Let's take out the stuff first. Yeah, so you've got this, which is basically, yeah, so this is the main body, which is basically to be docked to the wall. That's got a tape here. This is your wall unit, which needs to be near the wall. You can remove all of this. It's sticky. And then you've got the clean water tank. So this is the water tank in which you need to fill water. It's also sticking together with the dirty water tank, so you remove that as well. So it is one plastic film. It says empty regularly and add clean water. So I don't know if this was supposed to be there. Alright, so these labels basically came along because the film is sticky, but I think you need to stick it back, which says empty water regularly. Yeah, stick there. And then you have another one that says fill clean water, add clean water. So I'm gonna stick it here on the top so that it stays. Yeah, it's supposed to be here possibly. So this is the water tank. You need to go to a tap, fill in clean water, close it, and dock it here. This is the dirty water tank. Once it's filled, you need to pull this. Yeah, and then open it, empty it as well. So I'm just putting back the wall unit. This is the one that has the dirt bag. There's also a corrugated box inside with a QR code, so we'll get to it later on what that is. Let's open the main unit, which comes in a separate pack. Another QR code with the serial number of the device, and Okay, so the box contains charging cable, of course, with a zip bag. It's a UK 3-pin plug, and then you've got a plate. So this is basically the base plate, which will go on to helping your Eufy climb up to the charging pod. Let's open it. Yeah. So this base plate basically goes in here. There's another plastic which you can remove. And then you have the main Eufy body. Just to give you a perspective, it's big, it's not too small. And so this is your overall Eufy. It's got a start button, it's got cameras and sensors in the front. These are the mopping pads which you'll have to replace every 2-3 months, but they get cleaned and dried in there automatically, so you don't need to do anything. These are the brushes which don't seem to be in a good shape right now, and this is the cleaning brush, rubber plus brush both together. And if you see the height, it's good enough for a high pile carpet. So a lot of people had questions on will it work on high pile. I think yes, because there's a lot of gap. There's no carpet that's going to be thick, almost like a 1 inch plus. So you basically keep it here. It's supposed to go back like this and get charged. And I'll put in a video once we have certain comments, but there's nothing else inside the box. We just plug it in from the back, remove the stickers, and I'll put in a video with the feedback as to how it cleans around. But just so you know, it's a slightly big unit, so very visible. You'll have to find a spot to put it and plug it permanently where it's not so visible, but doesn't look so bad. Looks smart to have in your house, but certainly will be noticeable that you do have a Eufy X10 Pro. Thank you very much.